Hey, welcome to John's Guitar Lab. Today we're doing Under the Boardwalk by the Drifters. As you could see, it's fairly simple. Just have a couple of chords in it. And on the other side of the board, right there, you'll see there's two areas in sort of that tab format, because there's two different lines in here. Let me play the tune and show you exactly what I mean. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Now, down, ba da 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 da, da ba da ba ba da 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 da, ba da 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 da, ba da ba da da da. Now comes the middle part. Under the boardwalk. 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 Boardwalk. Okay, that's the entire tune. Now, let's just jump right down to the end there where we did the line. You see there's the E minor part. D. Now that last D minor right before the line is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay? So remember, when you get to that last D minor, you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. All right, now you could see that there's two areas there. One has that line here. Now it's up to you where you want to play that. You could play it here, or you could play it here. All right, it's up to you where you want to do that. Real quickly, going over each one, starting with the top one there on the 4th string, 2nd finger, 4th string, 2nd fret, open 3rd, 2nd finger, 2nd fret on the 3rd string, open 2nd, 3rd finger, 3rd fret on the 2nd, open 2nd, 2nd finger, 2nd fret on the 3rd, and then it's your G chord. All right, that's the first way. This other way that's on below, the bass part, or using it with the bass strings, it's opened on the 6th string, 3rd finger, 3rd fret, opened on the 5th string, 2nd finger, 2nd fret on the 5th string, open 4th, 2nd finger, 2nd fret on the 5th, open 5th, and on the 3rd string, on the 6th string, the G chord. All right? That's pretty much the entire tune. Okay, the only other thing, if you want to do this, is you have the part that's in with the G and the D chord there. You play that with your straight strum. Da, da, get to the E minor part, if you want, you can go under the boardwalk, under the boardwalk, under the boardwalk. All I'm doing there is on the E minor chord, I'm going 1 and 2, 3, 4, straight 2, 2, 3, and then on the D, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Okay, that's the entire tune. Oh, one other thing. If you're having trouble grabbing the chord after the you do the lick, then just hit the note and come in on the second beat. So, you know, 3, 4. All right, if that helps. All right, and again, do the tune slow. You get everything in. Use the 2 different strummings. You could reverse it and put that, you know, the on the G part. You know, it's up to you. So I'm just throwing a few things out there for you to work with. See what you could come up with. Hope you enjoyed the video. All right, stay safe out there. All right, if you like what you hear, give me those thumbs up, and please subscribe and enjoy your day.